These pigment mixing videos are going extremely viral on social media right now, and this YouTube channel has gained 882k followers just by posting this exact style of content, while their most popular video is sitting at 227 million views. Now, watch what I just created with AI in under 2 minutes. I am going to show you the totally free method right now. Make sure you have subscribed before we start. First, open the master prompt I have written for you. The link is in the description below. Copy the full prompt, open Claude AI, and paste it directly into chat, then hit enter. It will ask you about the material you want to mix. For this, open a new chat and get this prompt, then hit enter. It will instantly provide you various engaging material combinations perfect for a mixing video. Copy the one you like. Just copy these 4 lines. I am going with the very first one. Paste it in the main chat, then hit enter. Claude will generate 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt for your video. Everything you need is right here. Now open Google Flow. Create a new project and get the image prompt 1 from the Claude AI. Select the image option and make sure all your desired settings are turned on. Paste the prompt in and hit generate. In just a few seconds, your first scene image will be ready right here. Drag the image you like into the prompt. Now, copy image prompt 2 from Claude and paste it in. Hit enter and your second image will appear in just a few seconds. Now, select the video option. I am selecting OmniFlash as the video model and then ingredients, because this model does not support frames right now. So, we use ingredients instead. Now, drag your first and second image right here. Copy the video prompt from Claude AI and paste it in. Hit generate and your video will be ready in just a few seconds. And your pigment mixing video is completely ready to go viral on the internet. Now, watch another one I created using the exact same method. Same process, different materials, another satisfying viral video ready in minutes. Hope this tutorial helps you a lot, so don't forget to subscribe. Like and I will meet you in the next one.